Namaste everyone. In today's video, I wanted to share with you one of the ways you can really speed hack your manifestations. There's so many law of attraction techniques out there, and there's so many different tools that people will be using, and I've been sharing a few in my previous videos, and I'm just gonna continuously share what I know and what I have learned and what I have practiced with you guys. My name is Priya. I'm very passionate about sharing positivity and empowering others to live their life to their fullest. We're all creators. We have the capability to create our life the way we want. So let's make it beautiful together. Let's dive in. So today's video, there's lots of laws of attraction techniques that people use to manifest what they want in their life. And this is just one of the key points to really speed up your manifestations. If you've been trying to manifest what you want and something is not working for you, then consider this and see if you're practicing this properly. So it's really about protecting your environment. And when I'm saying protecting the environment, it's protecting the space in 3 different levels. So the first one is protecting your personal space, which is your inner self, how you take care of yourself, how you stand up for yourself. Are you giving in easily when people are saying things? Or really, are you looking at what's important for you, what's valuable for you, what's really close to your soul purpose? So it's really protecting your personal space where you're protecting yourself from any triggers that happens or anything that you want in your life. If, let's say, if you want to do something in your life and somebody's saying you shouldn't do it or you're not capable of doing it, are you giving in? Are you caving into these negative thought forms that comes through other people? And then it becomes your own, and then you then wouldn't be able to manifest what you want because you're letting in these energies to come to your own personal space. So if you think about it, we have aura around us, and whatever people are, whatever we see, whatever we say, everything kind of connects through these energy auras. So other people's auras can affect us as well. So it depends on how good they are. You also want to make sure you're not letting their aura, their energies affect your aura, because that then comes into your chakras, your energies, and your manifestations. So the one way to protect yourself is to really become a stronger person, because if your energies are stronger, and by that I mean being more powerful in terms of preparing your physical space, preparing your physical body, preparing your spiritual body as well, having a stronger mental body as well, and emotional body. So that comes with practice. So doing yoga every day, you doing meditations and all those practices and affirmations, and creating positive habits really build yourself, and doing good deeds to others also build yourself. So when you become a stronger person that way, other people's energies won't affect you as much, and then you will learn to, and with practice you will learn to really put a barrier around any energies you don't want to pass through. So as soon as a person comes near you, their aura is technically touching your aura. So you want to make sure you protect your aura. You want to protect your energies, and to do that you need to be a stronger energy body. Otherwise you'll tend to be affected by their energies, and then it becomes your manifestations as well. So build yourself and protect your personal space, and know when to say no, and know when to stand up for yourself and do what's best for you. So that's personal space. The second point I want to mention is the pure space, meaning the people that you are hanging around with. So technically, and you would have heard people say this, if you look at your friends, then they know who you are, basically, because who you hang out with is who you become. Your tribe is your vibe. So basically, who you choose to hang out with is totally a choice, but it depends on what value you're bringing in and also what value they're bringing to you as well. So if you want to grow spiritually, you want to be with like-minded people, you want to create a tribe around you that's have the same thinking, wants to grow in a similar pathway, want to have a similar journey. As much as we are individual, we are also collectively as one, and we have every trait in us. As much as we might be judgmental towards others, we tend to have that within ourselves as well, and that's why we're able to recognize it. So the more you hang out with the people where you want to be, so, you know, someone successful or someone spiritually growing, someone who is loving and compassion, then you become naturally that as well. So make sure you look around and see who you're hanging out with. Not to say that then, you know, you want to remove yourself from everyone. No, what I mean is that unless someone's really negatively impacting you, then yes, you have to remove yourself. But otherwise, you can still, you know, be friends with whomever you want, but also make sure you create a tribe for yourself where you can grow together and have like-minded people around you. So that's a second way of protecting your space and taking care of your space. Third one is obvious but very important, is the physical space around you, the physical environment around you. So that could be a supportive environment where, you know, you have your family to support you, your friends to support you, but then also the physical space where you are doing meditations, doing law of attraction techniques, and working on actioning any of the things that you want to attract in your life. So anything, wherever you're working, make sure it's a clean space. And I mean clean physically as well. Make sure you clean it every day. Make sure it's dust free, and you know, give a good wipe and really have a clean space. And also energetically, and when I say energetically, you can play some meditation music, you can play Om music or Om sound in a room that you're working in. You can do incense or any sorts of energy tools that people use to cleanse the room spiritually or energetically, sorry. And in that sense, when you clean your space that way, your mental space and your emotional space would align to that physical space as well. And therefore, it will be easy for you to attract what you want using these techniques. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please try these techniques and see if it works for you. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification button, as I'm very determined to creating weekly videos for you guys to really empower you to live the best version of you. Until then, namaste.